Hello everyone and welcome to Learn German for Beginners. Most people spend years trying to learn German. Textbooks, apps, classes, and this still frees up the moment a native speaker opens their mouth. What if I told you that just 100 words, yes, 100, cover full half of every German conversation you will ever have? No grammar rules, no verb tables, just 100 words. And in this video, I'm going to give them all to you for free, plus a 4-week plan to actually make them stick. Stay till the end because the way you learn them matters just as much as the words themselves. Most people get this completely wrong. This isn't a random list someone threw together. These words are based on frequency and research. The actual words that appear most often in real spoken German, not in novels, not in newspapers, in everyday conversations. The kind you have at supermarket, on a train, at a restaurant, or just meeting someone new. I've split them into 10 categories. Greetings, people, verbs, places, food, transport, money, time, feelings, and essential connectors, so your brain can group and retain them faster. Let's go through them. I'll say each word in German, and I want you to repeat it loud. Seriously, pause the video if you need to. Saying it activates a different part of your brain than just reading it. Category 1. Greetings and basics. Starting with the words you will use every single day before you even open your mouth properly. Hallo. Tschüss. Guten Morgen. Guten Abend. Bitte. Danke. Entschuldigung. Ja. Nein. Wie geht's? Category 2. People and relationships. The people in your life. You can't have a conversation without talking about people. And here we go. Ich. Du. Wir. Mann. Frau. Kind. Freund. Familie. Kollege. Leute. Category 3. Now this is the engine of the language. Verbs. These 15 verbs alone will carry you through most situations. Sein. Haben. Gehen. Kommen. Machen. Sagen. Wollen. Brauchen. Wissen. Verstehen. Sprechen. Kaufen. Essen. Trinken. helfen. Category 4. Places and surroundings. Where are you going? Where do you need to be? These words get you there. Let's begin. Haus, Wohnung, Straße, Supermarkt, Bahnhof, Arzt, Apotheke, Büro, Schule, Restaurant. Category 5. Food and drink. You will need these within the first 24 hours of being in a German-speaking country. Trust me. So here's the first one. Wasser, Kaffee, Brot, Essen, Frühstück, Mittagessen, Abendessen, Fleisch, Gemüse, Obst. The next category, transport and getting around. Auto, Bus, Zug, fahren, links, rechts, geradeaus, weit, nah, Ticket. Moving to another important category, money and shopping. Let's begin. Geld, Euro, Preis, teuer, billig, bezahlen, Kasse, Rabatt. The next category is also important because you should know how to talk about time and days. Here we go. Heute, morgen, gestern, jetzt, später, Uhr, Woche, Wochenende, Monat, Jahr. Also important is to talk about your feelings and what state you are in. Let's learn a few words here. Gut, schlecht, müde, glücklich, krank, hungrig, beschäftigt, fertig. Now we finish strong with connectors and essentials. The words that give your sentences shape. These tiny connectors are what make you sound like a real person instead of a phrase book. And here's the first one. und oder aber, weil, auch, nicht, sehr, vielleicht. And here's what 99% of language learners get wrong. And this is why I told you to stay till the end. They learn words like a shopping list. Kaufen, to buy. Essen, to eat. And they wonder why nothing sticks. Your brain doesn't store isolated words. It stores meanings in context. So instead of learning kaufen equals buy, you should learn Ich kaufe eine Tasche. Or Ich esse eine Banane. One sentence and suddenly you know the word, the verb structure, and a phrase you can actually use tomorrow. Do this with every single word on this list. It takes 30 seconds per word. That's 50 minutes total. That's it. And here's how you should approach this list. Week 1. Learn words from 1 to 50. Greetings, verbs, places, food. 10 words a day, 6 days, done. The last day should be the revision. Week 2. Words 51 to 100. Transport, money, time, feelings. Same pace. Week 3. Stop memorizing. Start building sentences with all these 100 words. Mix them, combine them, make them yours. And in week 4, use them in a real conversation. Find a language partner, use an AI, call someone, whatever it takes, just speak. 4 weeks, that's it. You will not be fluent, I'm not going to lie to you. But you will be able to handle half of any German conversations you walk into. And that confidence, that's what makes you keep going. And congratulations that you have now learned all these 100 words. I've put all these words with English translations organized by category in a PDF. You can download it for free on Patreon. The link can be found below. And if you found this useful, share it with one person who has been putting off learning German. Because honestly, the hardest part is just knowing where to start. By the way, if you're serious about learning German, don't forget, we offer completely free and well-structured courses for beginners and intermediate learners. You can learn at your own pace, access plenty of materials, and join a community full of real success stories. Just check out the links below and start your journey today. See you in the next lesson and happy learning! If you liked this video and want more of these, do let us know in the comments. Become a member today and gain access to extra content for this video and much more. You can also get a free worksheet by joining our Patreon page. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!